Hey guys, and welcome to this episode of Caked. My name is Asma, and today I am practicing social distancing by baking in my own kitchen like I always do. So let's get baking. We are living in some really tough times right now. I work in public health and knew that this was going to come someday, but I really never thought that it would come now. I'm just blown away by what is happening in the world. It really feels like we are living in a movie and it's really scary, but I really hope that you are all hanging in there and staying safe and staying hygienic and staying at home. Now is the time to really social distance yourself from my friends and family members that you don't need to see right now. I myself am doing a lot of Google Hangouts and FaceTiming and whatever I can with I have a huge family, so with all of my family, and we're playing games and just try to pick up a new hobby. Bake, that's what this channel is for. Start painting, start cooking, do something that you've always wanted to do. Now is the time to do it. Whatever you do, just stay at home. I know that I'm one of the lucky ones and I get to spend time with my husband and my baby. Truthfully, I'm on mat leave, so this is what I was doing anyways, but now obviously I can't go out and we're all going a little stir crazy, but I'm doing my best to stay busy. I have a lot of videos to do and a lot of videos to edit, so I'm keeping busy. I hope you guys are too. Hang in there. And if you're having a tough time or if someone you know has it, my prayers are with you all. Hang in there, we'll get through this. So, like all of you, I am trying to social distance myself and I started baking in the kitchen again. So today I'm making some whoopie pies. Let's get started. So I made these whoopie pies with items that you would likely already have at home to make this easier. I used a Betty Crocker cake mix, which I secretly love, but instead of following the recipe on the back, I changed it up a bit to make cookies. I added half a cup of softened unsalted butter and 1 egg. Then I used an electric mixer, preferably a stand mixer if you have it, but I used a handheld one here for the video, so this works too. Just keep on mixing it until you get a cookie dough consistency. This may take a few minutes. Once you have your cookie dough mixture, make little balls at about 1 inch thick and place them on the pan. Spread them out a bit so they don't get stuck together once they're baked. I flatten them a bit with my fingers before putting them in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes at 350 degrees Celsius. I then colored my icing blue and purple by adding a bit of gel colors to them. I'll be honest, I used Betty Crocker icing here, but my God, these turned out so sweet. So if I made these again, I'd definitely make my own icing or use Swiss meringue buttercream to tone down the sweetness. And this is what they should look like when they come out of the oven. Just let them cool a bit before putting the icing on so that it doesn't melt once you put it on. I put the buttercream in a piping bag and used a star tip and a round tip with a coupler. Once the cookies are cooled, I put icing on one side of the cookie and place the other cookie on top. You can put these in the fridge to let the icing firm up a bit. These are delicious on their own, just like this. I know it's a really tough time right now, guys. I myself am super outgoing, so staying at home is going to make me go a little crazy, but it is what it is. You just have to stay strong, stay safe. It's a matter of keeping our elders safe, and not only our elders, everyone around us safe. One person really, really does make a difference in this case. So if you know anybody who's older or who has COVID-19, give them a call, FaceTime, try to reach out to people, do what you can for other people. But the best thing you can do at this point really is to stay home. Don't worry, guys, this too shall pass. We will get through it, and hopefully with the least amount of deaths and illnesses as possible. So Fingers crossed this will end soon.
If you want to make them look a little fancier, you can always add some white chocolate ganache like I did here. Just be aware that this will definitely make them even more sweeter, so if you don't like them too sweet, leave out the ganache. I used pink candy melts here, melted with a 3-to-1 ratio of candy melts to heavy cream. Make sure to let the ganache cool and thicken before using it. I let this thicken a little too much, but I covered it with sprinkles anyway, so it didn't really matter. Decorate it however you would like, or leave it plain. I think these turned out pretty adorable, and these were so quick to do and easy to do with the items that you already have at home. Just be careful how much of these you make while on quarantine, or you'll be stuck eating them all by yourself. Or you can always make some care packages and send them off to your friends without seeing them, just leave them on the porch.
I hope some of these baking videos bring a smile to your face during these tough times. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hopefully will see you guys in the next video. Stay strong, hang in there, bye!